What do you think is the fastest way into the tech industry? Do you want to take a guess? If you're not sure, I will give you a clue. It has something to do with what's on my shirt. Let me give you a few seconds to guess. No idea what it is? Then don't worry, because the answer will be revealed on this episode of Journey to Tech with Craig. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Journey to Tech with Craig. Today I'm going to be talking to you about one of the easiest ways to get into the tech industry. Were you able to guess? Or did it bust your brain a bit? No worries, I'm going to tell you what that easy way is right now. That easy way is through software testing or software quality assurance. This is the way that helped me to get into the tech industry. So today I'm going to explain why it is an easy way to get into the tech industry. Buckle up, because this one is going to get very interesting. The first reason why I think software testing is an easy way to get into the tech industry is that it is very beginner friendly. I personally know persons who were interns who did so well that they were able to secure permanent jobs in software testing afterwards. They didn't have the experience before, but they were able to learn on the job and also do so well that they were able to secure these permanent positions. Software testing ensures that software is working as expected and that the number of defects in the applications are reduced. So to get started in a field like this, one thing you should have is a critical eye to detail. You have to be good at spotting certain errors to ensure that they are resolved as soon as possible. Also, you should have an analytical mind, and if you especially have those two, those will take you very far. Additionally, it is not hard to learn the software testing skills if you don't have knowledge of it, because you have free syllabus, you have free materials from the International Software Testing Qualifications Board that you can start reading to get up to speed as to the testing process. And if you're not a person who is that much of a reader, don't worry. There are numerous courses out there on different platforms such as Udemy and Coursera to get you up to speed with the different software testing techniques and how each technique fits into the software development lifecycle. So I would definitely say software testing is a good field for beginners. And that is one reason I think it's an easy way into the tech industry. Reason number 2 why it is easy to get into tech through software testing. Software testing is in high demand. The reality is that as businesses depend on software to support their business processes and mission-critical applications, there need to be people who will be able to test these software to ensure that they work as expected. Without software testing, defects can go unnoticed, and as a result, customers might not want to use the software. And also it can cause problems for businesses if they get software that is filled with defects. Hence, software testing is necessary. And it touches pretty much almost all technologies, but if not all, touches most or a lot of them. Software testing is needed in testing web applications, mobile applications, other mobile devices such as wearables, and also artificial intelligence applications to ensure that they're producing the correct results and are working as expected. So, the demand should get greater as the businesses depend on software more and more. So that is another reason why software testing is an easy way into the tech industry, in my opinion. The third reason I think that software testing is an easy way to get into the tech industry is that software testing gives you exposure to other tech areas within the software testing space. You may start off as a manual tester, but guess what? You don't have to stay there. There are other exciting fields in software testing. If you're a person who loves programming languages, for example, you can check out test automation, which is basically writing programs to do the testing with computers as opposed to doing it manually. If you also like to push a system to its limit, you can check out performance testing. That's exactly what it does to see how much under pressure the system can hold up. If you're a person who thinks like an ethical hacker, you can also check out security testing to ensure that the application is secure as possible against malware attacks and other malicious attacks. Then, if you're a person who loves to evaluate software on different devices, you can check out mobile testing too. So the options are endless even within the software testing field itself. Feel free to check those other software testing fields out. And that is one of the reasons I say that it is easy to get into tech through software testing. The fourth reason that software testing is an easy way into the tech industry is that it gives you exposure to other tech areas outside of software testing. In software testing, you're going to be working with different team members, not just from the testing field itself, but from other areas such as programming, database management, you name it. So for example, if you're a software tester and you worked in test automation, you would have learned programming skills. And guess what? Those programming skills can be transferred to another role such as software development if that's the direction you want to go in afterwards. I can even talk about my own experience. I've worked on testing data analytics applications, especially reports. I was able to be on a project where I was able to not just test the data analytics reports, but also get to develop them and test them as well. So I gained transferable skills from that experience. And I can think of another example. I know someone who worked in software testing, and especially in testing, you work a lot with requirements. And that is something a business analyst would work with as well. They were able to possibly use those skills to transfer into the area of business analysis as well. So the opportunities are endless. When you work with different teams, you're able to pick up different skills that you can transfer to other areas if you choose to move on from software testing to anywhere else. So that is another good reason I say that software testing is an easy way into the tech industry. Well, there you have it, guys. I just gave you 4 reasons why software testing is an easy way into the tech industry. So if you're looking to get into the tech industry and you're worried that you don't have all of those skills that you need, check out software testing. You might like it, one, and guess what? Think of it as a gateway to other areas and see it as a place where the opportunities are endless for growth. So let me know in the comments below if you found this very helpful. And also feel free to comment and tell me what should I talk about next after a video like this, so that I can produce some more quality content that you, my viewers, enjoy. So check out software testing today and you'll see what I'm talking about. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Journey to Tech with Courage, and I will see you soon.